Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 19, 2022. 4-star Sudoku. Second row and fourth row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row and second row we have 7. Fifth row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I and second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 7. Second row and fourth row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. The 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, we have 4. 7th row and 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirm here. 9th row, we have 4, 5, 6. The 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 9, it will come in one of the 3 cells. Column J, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column J, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G, column B, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. Column E, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 4 also here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column C, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 2nd grade and 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 6th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 4th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 8. 5th row and 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column F, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column I, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.